Hello everyone, here are some tips to speak in English. While you are thinking, practicing, and speaking English, what tips are there that may help? First thing is the acceptance that yes, I can. Second is the acceptance that all the languages are mine and I can speak anyone that I want. Third is to start thinking in English and feeling in English language. This is the most important one, that you start thinking in English language to speak in English language. Fourth is to talk to yourself in that language. Fifth is to practice in English language in front of the mirror. Sixth is to repeat whenever you listen to anyone or native speakers. Seventh is to practice with songs and media, the interesting one. Eighth is to learn the simple and communicative sentences and your much needed or used sentences. You need not to go for the complex ones, just stay on the simple and communicative sentences. Ninth one is to focus to learn phrases, not the words or grammar. You need simple phrases only. 10th is to create everyday situation in your mind with English sentences as stories. That's how you are thinking and creating. 11th is to read a lot and read aloud. 12th is to use audio resources to listen English language as much as you can. 13th is to make a group of friends to speak English with or use apps for listening and speaking. 14th is the last and the most important, to listen, repeat, and practice. What? Listen, repeat, and practice. This is how you can speak English easily. Thank you.